Hi, everyone. This is the how to set up your web projector inside of Altspace. In this video, we're going to be walking you through the 5 steps to set up a web projector. We recommend the web projector if you are not able to use the MMC or multimedia console because you want to use a website like YouTube or Twitch or some other website that isn't supported by the MMC. So we're going to walk you through these 5 steps. Step number 1 is you must download the Microsoft Edge browser. You can do this on either Windows or on Mac, but you won't be able to see the MMC working on your Mac. So we recommend doing this on a Windows, even though it can be set up on a Mac for the streaming part. Then you will download a plugin for the web projector and you're going to install it, of course, and add it to the extensions for your Microsoft Edge browser. Then you're going to go to the website and where that stream or video is happening, and you're going to enable the web projector plugin. I'll show you where that little button is, and you're going to sign into Altspace, and then you go into Altspace, add the web projector, and boom, your stream is going to pop right up after you hit connect. This is the Altspace's own documentation for how to use the web projector. Very, very detailed on how to use it. First of all, you're going to download the Microsoft Edge browser. I went ahead and did this and installed it on my Windows. You can also do it on a Mac. Then you go to the web projector link and you download the web projector plugin or extension for the Edge browser. So I have Edge running here. I'm going to go to extensions and I'm going to add an unpacked or load an unpacked extension. Right over here in my downloads, I downloaded the web projector and I unzipped it. So it's now just a folder, and I'm going to click select that folder, and boom, the web projector just popped right up here. And I also see it right here next to the URL part of the web page. So now I'm done. I can actually just go to another web page. I'm going to go to Twitch in this case. Just look for a very simple video to play. Sure, why not? Here's a skeleton video. So now in Altspace, I'm going to be able to show my entire window in my entire browser window. So I'm going to make that full screen because I want it to show up full screen for everyone. In my browser, I actually already logged in. So I'm just going to do that one more time right here. Put in my password, log in right here. And here you go. So now I logged into the extension. I'm going to hit here, start streaming. You can select either the entire tab or the whole desktop application. I think a tab is fine in my case. I can change the video quality from 1080p down to 720. Actually, 480 I've noticed is a sweet spot for performance and quality. You can go higher in quality, but it really depends on how powerful your computer is, and of course the bandwidth that people have when they actually stream it. So let's try 480. Let's see how that looks. If we need to increase it, we'll increase it. So now I'm done. I'm going to hit start streaming, and there we go. We are streaming now into my my Altspace account. So I'm going to make this window full screen and go into Altspace and see, here's my world where I want to add that web projector. I'm going to go to World Editor, Editor Panel, Basics right here, and here is that web projector. Here we go. Here's the web projector. So it just says, once I'm done, I just need to hit connect, and it should connect. And there it is. So as you can see, that this little top area doesn't look so pretty. So what I recommend to do is you can actually wedge it into a spot where that top bar will actually be not seen as much. So I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Like, let's go like that, and let's bring it in right there behind that DJ booth. You can see the bars being hidden by the top of the car, and done. Now I have my multimedia or my web projector playing in my world. Everyone can see it. It looks pretty good, especially at this distance. If I get really close, I can kind of see the bar still. So I'm actually gonna just move it a little bit higher there. Boom. Now no one can see that bar. And here it is. Here's my music and video inside of the world. So now let's say you want to go from playing something on Twitch to playing something on YouTube. You would go here, you would type in YouTube, find some disco music, play the first thing you see, and sometimes it'll work right away. Other times you might get a screen, like a green screen or something. If it doesn't work, all you have to do is go to your browser, go here, stop streaming, and then start streaming again, and that should refresh your browser. So let's see how that looks. It looks pretty good to me. I think everyone should be enjoying the kind of music you play from any website that you can launch on your browser. And that's the tutorial for the web projector. All right, guys, we'll see you on Playa.